Since that last video, I drove the Corvette down the road, and y'all can see in the video, you can barely see out the front window, so I just gotta clean this front window. It was just so damn nasty. Couldn't see nothing. My brakes ain't. The brakes working, but I think I just need to put some more brakes on the car. I never put no brakes on it. I don't think I have. And I don't had the car maybe 10 years, I guess. Maybe longer. I'm not really sure. But eventually, I am gonna paint it. Eventually. And I'm thinking about just going back black, maybe. I guess. I really want to go red, because that's a Corvette color. But y'all just write in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Man, I ain't gonna have the car much longer, because I'm gonna give it to I gave it to my baby boy. He 14. And he'll be 15 in August. And he wanted the car to be blue. I'm definitely not a blue type person. That's not my color at all. I mean, I can make some adjustments for him, but because I got a nice blue pearl in the house that I can put in with the black. And it'd be damn near black with a blue, like a dark blue metallic, which you really can't see unless the sun hit it. But I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I'm eventually buy me a new Corvette, maybe a Stingray. Eventually, maybe. I gotta get my financial in order. But yeah, and this gonna be his, and he want it. And you might say that's a lot of power for a 14-year-old, 15-year-old first car. But the car really, these cars really they don't really have a lot of horsepower. They got a lot of torque. This car right here got a lot of damn torque. Got a lot of torque. It'll pin you to the seat. Donuts and spinning tires and stuff like that. But as far as horsepower, no. I can take that BMW right there and walk the dog out of this shit. Same thing with my Lexus. But I mean, yeah, this a fun car to drive though. With the torque make it fun. Make it real fun. Cause every light, you spinning tires or donuts, you get a lot of looks, a lot of questions when you go to the store, and it sound good, so that's what I'm at right now. I'm just trying to clean it up. The windows a little bit. So when I do take it back down the road, I can see out the window. And the main reason I stopped driving this car from the very beginning was I thought it was a starter, but it won't. What it was, the battery was just weak. So I stopped driving the damn car. So it's set for years because I just had a weak ass battery. So, and then the paint ended up fading. And I just didn't care about it no more. But now I'm try to put it back in the loop, get it back roadworthy for him to drive, which I never had no other mechanical problems with the car. Engine, transmission, dead on point. And it runs like a charm. I just need the gauges for the Corvette. And I found some on Craigslist, and I drove 2 hours to get them. And by the time I got back home, they didn't work. I spent $200 for them. And you know how that go on Craigslist. When somebody sell you something, they lose your number and everything. So, I took a loss with that. Then with a top, I bought a top, was wrong size for 87. I don't think it didn't work. So I ended up finding the one right there, 86. I paid $200 for that also. And the one that was 87, that was $200. I end up breaking that. So that's the main thing I don't have with these cars is the tops and that gauges. So what I probably eventually do is just get the one I got because I like the old school gauges. Probably eventually get that rebuilt, and that way I know what I got too. And like I said, I'm gonna give it to him. Get a car to him. Soon he turned 15 in August. As long as he keep his grades up. But we'll see how it goes.